What's up, you guys? It's Dr. Rex here. It's been a while. So it has been a while since I last uploaded. There's a whole story behind why that is. If you're interested, let me know down below. The short of it is that Duke School of Medicine told me to stop making videos, but now I am graduated and I'm ready to come back. I am now a resident physician in orthopedic surgery, which is the most amazing thing ever. I am having a blast learning so much, learning how to care for people in the specialty of medicine that I hope to practice. I do additionally hope to pursue my board certification in obesity medicine after I complete residency, complete fellowship, plan to do fellowship in adult reconstruction, which is like joint replacement for the hips and the knees. And so after that, then I hope to pursue my board certification additionally in obesity medicine. So this is years off of planning. I have so much to learn, but officially can use the title doctor that I have graduated from Duke University School of Medicine. So I want to just hear in the comments down below of what kind of videos you want to see from me. Do you want to see me talk more about my experience in medical school, my experience getting into residency? I think a lot of my content is going to be shifting towards how I want to help people with my career. Namely, that the overarching goal of my career is going to be to help people maintain their mobility as long as they want and all the freedom that comes with that. And so as a surgeon, joint health is something that's super important to me. I want to talk about exercise, how to maintain your mobility, how to maintain your joint health through different types of workouts, exercises, stretching, mobility. I want to talk about nutrition and how that plays into your ability to move your body from point A to point B. A lot of that is strength, but how much weight you're carrying factors into your ability to move yourself and your overall health. So I want to talk about nutrition and weight loss. Additionally, I want to talk just in general about wellness and how to be the most healthy, happy, effective person that you can be, and just have the freedom to live your life how you want to do the things you want to do, and never let your mobility get in the way of doing that. And if I can help you do that by teaching you something, teaching you a new approach, a new way to live your life, to understand that mobility is really about a lifestyle of pursuing the ability to continue to move your body, that if you don't keep moving, your body will start to fight against you and not want to move anymore. So preserving that as long as possible into your 60s, 70s, 80s, to play with your children on the floor, your grandchildren, your great-grandchildren even. If I can help you in the future in my practice someday, if we cross paths by treating you as my own patient, if I can help you by helping improve your nutrition and weight loss, and that improves your mobility, make me the happiest doctor in the world. So that's what I'm trying to do with this channel, but I'm happy to hear any suggestions down in the comments. I don't know what my upload schedule will be like, but I am back. I have some videos that I want to make, and I hope that they are beneficial to you, that really this channel is about being able to help people and give back to all of the people who have mentored me throughout my life and provided me with information that I would have never been able to sort of come across on my own without hearing from other people's personal experiences and personal knowledge and wisdom. And so I want to share what I've come to know as a doctor, that I've been incredibly privileged to be educated in a way that so few Americans are, and I have been privileged to then care for so many people and learn from those experiences and then pass that knowledge on to you. So this is my channel. I'm Dr. Rex. Like the video if you like the video. Make sure you leave comments about any videos you want to see in the future. And if you actually want to see those videos, make sure you subscribe so you see them when they come out. That's all I got for you. Don't be ordinary. Go be great.